Alright, so I'm home now, and I put the struts on full stiff, and it's quite stiff. I have to adjust the struts and stuff like that so they're not maxed out, so they have some travel to them. But yeah, this is why they really mad. Tucking 11.5s, boy, like, come on. And also, 3-piece sent me an update of the wheels that are for the Skyline, and oh my god, they're beautiful. Damn, I can't wait until they get here. Those, oh man, that's gonna be crazy. I really can't wait for those. They're my favorite wheels on Skylines. Like, when I get an R34, I'm gonna have these wheels on them. When I get an R33, I'm gonna have them on them. If I can even find them big enough when I get an R35, I'll put them on them. Like, it's just that crazy, because I really love these wheels on Skylines. But granted, R35 is not a Skyline. Woo, 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 who cares? Same difference. The mail. Nothing for me. Unfortunately, I'm waiting for something. I don't remember what. But, yeah, besides car parts that I'm waiting for, because I have seat brackets and seats that were supposed to be here. The brackets were supposed to be here 2 weeks ago, and the seats were supposed to be here yesterday. Everything's getting delayed. I wanted my seats to be put in the car this weekend so I could do my photo shoot, but that's not going to happen. So I have to wait until next weekend, and that's very annoying. Like, I really hate delays. There's always delays with everything car part. Oh my god, this car is just so beautiful. Like, oh my god. But yeah, always some type of delay. But in due time, the parts will get here and they'll get installed. So yeah, okay, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see. Let me see. So yes, I'll show you guys in a second, but yesterday on my way to work, I hit a pothole, and what I did not know is that my corner light came out. So now I have to go find it, because the corner light has like the like cable, like the plug thingy for the wiring, so that has to get wired back on, and I do not want to have to find one, like, or order one, like, unless I have to. But I'm about to be driving around and see if I could find it. Just got to retrace my steps from yesterday's path to work, and hopefully find it. But yeah, I hope I can though, because I really at least want to find the broken light on the ground somewhere and reuse it with the parts and just get new corner lights, because I'm gonna order clear ones anyway, but finding the actual plug for the light to go in itself is going to be, that's gonna be an arduous task. So if I can, I'll make it so I don't have to do that. The worst part about this is that I'm trying to find an orange corner light in fall, so there's orange leaves everywhere. So this is definitely a snafu, to say the least. My English is terrible. I need sleep. They've been overworking us, and yeah, I'm tired. But know if you guys remember when I had my 350Z. This is the guy who I bought that old hood that I had from, and he actually lives like right up the street from me. Like, if you guys remember, there was a video when I was like I think I was in the Pathfinder, and I was holding the hood down with my hand outside of the window when I drove home. Yeah, this is the car. He has a whole bunch of like Sea West stuff on it, and probably gonna steal his wheels. And these canards, they look pretty nice. I'm probably gonna take those for my car too, because he doesn't really need them. This car is slow, so what do you need downforce for? And the craft square mirrors, I'll probably, and the wheels, and I'm most likely just gonna take all the parts off this car and put it on mine. So yeah.